Hey guys, it is Jake and Anna, and we're super excited that you're here and wanting to learn how to harness the potential of this thing, your action camera.
This course is divided into 4 different modules meant to equip you with all the skills necessary to understand the action camera world. That is photography, filmmaking, editing, but also publishing and social media platforms.
But most importantly, this masterclass covers storytelling, which we know and believe will make your videos stand out.
But wait, you might be wondering why we're fit to teach you this masterclass. Well, Jake and I have spent the past 5 years working on producing content for social media. We've also grown a YouTube channel of over 150,000 subscribers. We have audiences on TikTok and Instagram, but we've also had the opportunity to work with amazing brands like GoPro, Insta360, DJI, SanDisk.
Oh, and fun fact, we also won the 2021 GoPro $1 Million Challenge, so we really can't wait to share our lessons that we've learned on our personal journeys in a fun, easy to follow action camera masterclass.
This on-demand masterclass has a strong focus on community building. That's why we've created a private Facebook group with an engaged community of creators, and that's also why we offer every single student a one-on-one call to catch up with us.
But the reasons why we've created this masterclass is so that we can motivate you. We created and assigned weekly tasks and challenges so we can review your work and also provide feedback on your ideas.
On-demand learning is the best way to upskill when you have a busy schedule. You can watch chapters on your own time, and once you're ready, shoot us an email so we can connect.
Guys, that is it from us. We cannot wait to bring you this masterclass, and we look forward to connecting soon.